What's up? This is John from John Branch 4 Photography, and I just wanted to make a real quick video because we finally got an update to Lightroom CC that gives it iPad Pro support. Let's go ahead and check that out real quick. So with the new update, first off, we're getting iPad Pro support. So now Lightroom's taking up the whole screen, finally. I was hoping it wouldn't take them too long, so I'm really happy that it was very short for them to upgrade this. Also, they added Apple Pencil support. With this, you're able to double tap on the Apple Pencil and switch between selective edits, drawing, and erasing your selective edits. So it's pretty cool. Now you can just jump in real quick, draw some selective edits, double tap, erase some, and that's it. So that was a quick look at the Lightroom CC upgrade. Nothing huge, but I wanted to go ahead and report on it because I was hyped now that it finally works on the iPad Pro. Also, Adobe's running a Black Friday deal on the Photographer's Package. If y'all don't know what that is, you need to check it out. Basically, in Creative Cloud, you'll get Lightroom and also Photoshop, and it's about, I think, $9 a month. So check it out. 25% off discount. You can find it in the description below. Definitely get on that if you're a photographer. All you need is Lightroom and Photoshop, and I think it also gives you access to both Lightroom Classic and Lightroom CC, which will work on your iPad, so definitely check it out. If you like the videos and the updates, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll be with y'all next time. All right, peace.